Right after Storm Sandy, this area was really hit hard with devastation. We lost a lot of houses, and now everybody's raising the houses. So after going to some meetings at the town and with some other people on issues of shoreline resiliency, we got tied up with a couple of groups, one of them Thriving Earth, and it's to restore some shorelines. It'll add to resiliency of the area, help to mitigate a little bit on the flooding, and we also understand it might lower our flood insurance.
When you have a living shoreline, you get a couple of things. You get flood resiliency and flood resistance because the water will be soaked up by the natural and native plantings. You also get habitat for the animals and the wildlife that's native to the bay itself. And using the right plant material that's native, you also get a filtering effect, which the west part of the bay rarely sees.
As you see in the other areas around here, you fix bulkheading or stones. A living shoreline is more, it's grasses, native plants, native species. They would have to rework the shoreline here a little bit, remove, there's some concrete in there and everything. We may have rocks further up to stop the erosion into the street, but it becomes natural like it was years ago.
To me, it seems like a solution for everybody that's best for the community, the best for the bay, best for the land, best for the habitat.